Hi, welcome back to Mr. Slover's Maths. Today we're going to talk about healthy digital habits. So the first few is asking you to just use your Chromebook or just answer in general, whatever the question's asking. So when you research, should say for number 7, how much physical activity should a teenager get? We're looking at about at least an hour a day. Hopefully that's what your research showed when you were looking up answers. How much sleep should a teenager get? Should be 8 to 10 hours every day. And how much screen time should a teenager have? That's 2 hours or less, but that's focused on excluding anything related to homework for school. Okay, so those are the 3 that hopefully you were able to research and get those 3 specific answers. If not, there you go. Make sure you get those down in your notes. And then these are just some more information, more questions to ask to get more information about what's going on and what your digital habits are. How much are you using your phone? What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? Are there any rules at your house? Things like that. So healthy screen time habits. You should never play a game or use your phone while you are driving. It's illegal. Walking. Yes, it is legal to walk and text and use your phone. But not many, but sometimes injuries are caused because people are not paying attention to where they are walking because they're staring at their phone or playing a game on their phone. And likewise with riding a bike. You shouldn't be texting and riding a bike because then you're distracted from what's going on around you, and you may end up getting into a bike accident. You should turn off or silence or stop using your device or gaming console at least 30 minutes before bed. This is not a Mr. Slover thing. This is research stating that 30 minutes is the time needed to allow your brain to start kind of relaxing and for you to start focusing on clearing your head and getting ready to go to bed. You should limit your screen time to 2 hours per day. And you should try to limit your passive usage of screen time. So remember, passive usage is you just scrolling through websites or watching videos without commenting or posting. So what happens if you have too much screen time? Well, it could lead to insomnia, so you have trouble sleeping. You could have low or poor self-esteem. You could have behavior problems. Obesity can result in too much screen time because you are inactive. Inappropriate modeling can occur. So you see all these people, maybe you're watching YouTube videos and you're watching how these influencers are behaving or how they're acting. And so you're going to start to model that inappropriate behavior. Maybe you have trouble interacting in real life or with having conversations or how to behave. You have a distorted sense of reality. What you see online is not necessarily real. Things could be altered for the video. You need to be able to have conversations. If you have too much screen time, you're not interacting with another human being that's sitting next to you. Right? A lot of jobs still require you to interact somehow with another person, whether it's face-to-face, whether it's over the telephone, whether it's over a video meeting. I mean, just go into the store, you still have to interact with people. And then finally, too much screen time could lead to problems with your head or neck or back pain. So let's make sure that we are limiting our screen time to 2 hours or less per day. Maybe come up with a plan how to decrease your screen time. If you're someone that's well over 2 hours, maybe try and come up with some sort of plan to reach that goal, maybe by the end of the semester, or if that's not enough time, maybe by the end of the school year. So if you have any questions,